Hi, my name is Roxanne Webster.
And I'm Jake Ginger.
We're with My Home Team Denver and Keller Williams. Congratulations, you've made it to the last of our series. Woohoo! We've got one more topic that we want to touch on. After everything that we have been talking about through this series, I know there are some of you who've just asked yourself, why don't I just call the bank, say the house is yours, I'm leaving the keys on the kitchen table, and walk away and let them foreclose. Here's why.
You know, one of the biggest drawbacks, one of the things that people don't realize is that the banks have the right to pursue the deficiency. And what that deficiency is, it's a tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of loss that the bank has the right to pursue.
We're not just talking about the difference between what you owe. Let's say you owe $250,000 and they sell it for $200,000. Oh, I owe them $50,000. If you owe them $250,000 and they sell it for $200,000, their costs for carrying that property, their costs for caring for that property, their costs for selling it, all their legal costs, all of those are included. On average, the bank nets 66% of the market value of that property by the time they're done with all of their expenses. So whereas you may have owed them $250,000 and it sold for $200,000, at the end of the day, the deficiency is more likely to be based upon a loss of $100,000. Their net may end up being $150,000. So when we're looking at them being able to pursue you for $100,000, that's the number we're talking about with that example, and that's profound.
Mm-hmm. And the part that, again, is often forgotten is when we say pursue, what is
We're
the
not talking
recourse?
about a phone call.
No, we're not talking about them calling you and bugging you every night like everybody
It's
else.
legal stalking.
It is a judgment. They file what's called a deficiency judgment. And that judgment is ugly. It can attach to your wages, or attach to asset, garnish wages, everything. And they have many years of which to do so.
That's
So-
the stinker here. Often they will wait until you're recovered again, until you're back on the road to recovery. You're 2 or 3 years into that. You're making good income again. You may even have bought another house. You've got a savings account. Then they hit you with this judgment when you've actually got assets for them to pursue. So get the facts. Get your team. And even though we've not done this much throughout this series, here it is. We would love to talk to you about this. We'd love to help you form your team. The best way to contact us, well, you can contact us any way you want to. Stay away from smoke signals, please. But you can send us an email at myteam@myhometeamdenver.com, or you can call us
at 303-389-9676.
Excellent. Your turn or my turn?
You know, let's do it together.
Do it
In
together.
unison? Just kidding. Again, a formal disclaimer, Roxanne Webster, Jake Ginger, Keller Williams, My Home Team, we are not affiliated nor endorsed by any government entity. We can't guarantee the outcome of our services. As we all know, the only thing that the bank did agree to is to foreclose if we stop making payments. Obviously there are other options, and at times they do agree to do those take those other avenues, but unfortunately we can't guarantee it.
Yeah. So again, please contact us, myteam@myhometeamdenver.com, or
303-389-9676.
thank you so much for joining our series.
Have a great day.